It's a cheap hotel. Only £20 a night.
London and New York are big cities.
A Ferrari is a fast car.
These aren't the right answers.
It's a difficult lesson.
Morocco is a hot country.
I've got an old computer. It's very slow.
His new watch is very expensive.